Okay, Mr. Soohoo, this is my Unit 11 video. An outlier, a person or thing different from others. Pretty much as you can see, I used two examples, the smiley faces and the apples. Mean, sum of all numbers divided by number of terms. Median, middle term. Mode is the number that occurs most. And range is high term minus low term. The spread is from low to high. Okay, Mr. Soohoo, now a dot plot is a chart of data plot on a scale, as you can see from the example above. A box plot is a distribution of data based on the 5-number summary: minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. Okay, Mr. Soohoo, now this is a histogram, the distribution of numerical data, an estimate of the probability distribution. Okay, Mr. Soohoo, now that actually is the definition that I found online to explain it. But what you can see above, it's pretty much an actual survey that they used. Pretty much I found this online as well. I wanted to find something that would actually show that what we did in class. As you can see, we actually did this in class as well. We pretty much take everyone from in our class and measured how tall they were. And just to let you know, you actually, in order to use this, you need a frequency table. And the way the frequency table, I will be showing an example in a bit. But the way the frequency table works is pretty much you take the data that you have. For example, above, 2 kids placed between 58 and 60, 2 kids placed between 60 and 62, and etc. And you would pretty much take that information and you would plot it onto the histogram, okay, and to show what exactly you get, and that's how you plot your data. Okay, Mr. Soohoo, now this is the frequency table. Now the way it works is pretty much you plot how many times that has happened within the data. So pretty much, for example, 2 kids were placed between 60 and 62, and you would pretty much plot that wherever necessary, and you would pretty much go from there. And this is pretty easy to do. Doesn't really take a lot of work, and hopefully you understand it. Cool. Mr. Soohoo, you wanted us to reflect on some of the goals that we had or anything like that during this year, if we accomplished them or what we have done so far. And pretty much I would like to say that I actually have accomplished my goals. I'm going to be the first one out of my brothers to actually graduate from Redondo Union High School. And I know it took a lot. I mean, don't get me wrong, it was a lot of hard work, but the years went by quickly, and that was actually pretty fun. Second, luckily for me, my business is actually launching, and hopefully could be going to college and continue pursuing that. Currently all is well, and hopefully everything continues to be. Thank you.